Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in this investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this video will also be relevant for those people or those students who are looking to migrate or who are looking to basically switch their fields into like investment bank, who are looking to basically build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling and currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, so we are going to talk about what are the requirement for getting into these kind of job. Okay. So in case you are a fresher or in case you are looking to build your career in the financial modeling or investment banking, so there are some prerequisites or that there are some pre-requirements which employers or these recruitment firms basically looks at. Okay. The first one is basically about your academic background. Okay. So they will check your academic background, the college, university that you're coming from. Okay. So although like this can be overlooked in certain situations, but for bulge break in investment bank or bigger M&A firms, so these firms are specifically looking for your academic background. Okay. Other than that, so there are a few skill set that you will require to basically get excelled in this particular field. So these are like basic to advanced Excel skills. Along with that financial analysis skill, so you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay. So these are the skill sets that you'll be requiring to get excelled in this skill. Okay. So then along with that, so in case you really want to get shortlisted and in case you want to build your career, so when you'll be applying for these kind of opportunities, so they will be asking you to basically work on certain case studies or aptitude based tests. Okay. So these are the criteria, the shortlisting criteria for these employers when they look for any candidates within these job sets. Okay. So we have talked about like what are the pre-requirements and what are the prerequisites for these kind of jobs. So now we'll be looking at like what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first one is basically about the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So you should have good accounting knowledge. You should have good understanding about the time value of money concept and the basics of finance. Okay. Along with that, the financial statements, like you should have a good understanding of like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay. Then you should have basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should be able to work on VLOOKUP, like basic to advanced Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, conditional formatting, data tool, and so on. Okay. And within the investment banking or financial modeling, so you'll be working on different kind of models depending upon different kind of situations. So these are like DCF, LBO, M&A, three statement models. So these are like different kind of models that you'll be working on as a part of your daily job. Okay. So while you will be working on these models, so you'll be working on some sort of projections. Like when you'll be building these three statement models, so you will be basically doing some projections for the company for the next 5 year, 3 years. Okay. For that reason, so you'll be having good understanding about the business, how the revenue of the company is basically being driven. Okay. What are the costs associated with the business, like what are the different kind of expenses and costs associated with the business. Okay. And on what level, so in case you are moving forward, uh, in case you are looking to enter into the growth stage, so then on what stages the capital investments are basically required from time to time. Okay. So then the finally is like the financial modeling is not just about the numbers. Okay. So you should be good with like how you are presenting your analysis in a dashboard using some dashboard charts or storytelling. Okay. So this is all about, so these are the skill set that you'll be requiring to get enter into this particular field. Okay. So for that reason, so I have just done a quick comparison between two of the best uh, financial modeling and investment banking courses which are available online. Okay. And we will be doing a quick comparison between those, and then so you can take a call like which course will be more suitable for you as per your requirement. So now I'll be moving to do a comparison between both of these courses. Okay. So now we'll be looking at two of the best financial modeling courses which are available online. Okay, so first one that we are looking at is coming from the UpGrad. Okay, so this is a job ready program in financial modeling and analysis. And the key highlights of this particular course is like you'll be getting live sessions of 2 to 2.5 hours every weekend. Every week you'll have access to study material that include lecture videos. So you can use these to study at your own pace and convenience. However, they advise devoting 2 to 3 hours a day to independent learning. Okay, so you can ask teaching assistant directly question during those 2 hours doubt clearing session. A mentor will be assigned to you, three short job interviews. Okay, so these are the key feature of this particular program. So from the content perspective, so what they are covering in this course is, so they are covering basics of finance, introduction to finance, basic finance terms, basics of Excel and statistics, introduction to Excel, statistics, fundamentals, fundamental of financial analysis, basics of accounting principle, introduction to financial statement, all type of financial models. Okay, so this is something that they are covering in all of their course. Okay, so they are offering this course association with PwC. Okay, so if we talk about the total fee associated with this course is, so that is basically about 82,000 rupees. Okay, so that's the course that is coming from the UpGrad. Okay, so now we will be looking at the one of the best course which is available online for the financial modeling. So this is basically from the IIM Skills. Okay, so this first of all we will be looking at the course highlights. So this course comes with like 185 plus hours of course delivery, 100 plus hours assignment, 25 plus hours of doubt solving sessions, 24 into 7 support, money back guarantee, 100% job guarantee, one-to-one mentorship, lifetime LMS access, job portal exclusive access. Okay, so if we talk about the course curriculum, so they are covering everything from basic to advanced Excel, accounting concept in financial statement, ratio and KPI analysis, technicals of financial modeling, different type of financial model, business valuation, new ways tools. So you are going to learn everything in this particular course, which you're required to learn this particular skill set. Okay. So along with those curriculums, you'll also be developing some job interview skills such as resume building, mock interview preparation, LinkedIn profile building, communication skill, problem solving skill, then business case studies, learning how to learn, guesstimate, and so on. So if we talk about like how this course will be offered, so this course comes with the three different variants. So the first one is basically the self-paced program. So in this, you'll be getting the pre-recorded videos, 1 year of LMS access, job placement support, job support, placement portal access, two financial model templates worth $600. So all of this you'll be getting it for a course fee of like 29,900 plus 18% GST. So then comes the next program. So that is called as master program. So in this, so this will be a live instructor led sessions. Okay, so this will be live classes, then lifetime LMS access, job support, placement portal access, 5 financial model templates worth $2,000, WhatsApp group mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization, and so on. So all of these features, all of these benefits are available for a fees of 49,900 plus 18% GST. So then comes the most prevalent course which is offered by IIM Skills, which is known as Job Guarantee PG program. So along with the other benefit which we have spoken in the master program, so other than that, you will be getting the one-to-one mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization, work from home, global placement guarantee, leadership lounge access, campus immersion, personal branding toolkit, international freelancing, 50% fee refund if you are not placed after completing this course. Okay, so all of these features, all of these things are basically available for a fee of 1,49,900 plus 18% GST. Okay, so this is the one of the best course which is available online. So now we'll do a quick comparison between UpGrad and IIM Skills. Okay, so basis some of these parameters. Okay, so if you see, so I have just listed down some of these parameters on the left. Okay, and now we'll be doing a comparison. Okay, so if we talk about the course depth, Excel skills, so IIM Skills and UpGrad, both of these courses basically covers the course from the comprehensive angle. Excel skills we are going to learn in both of these courses. Live session will be there, live doubt session will be there in both of these courses. Internship support will be getting in the case of IIM Skills, but you will not be getting in the case of UpGrad. Placement support you will be getting in both of these courses. Course fee will be lesser in case you go with IIM Skill because you'll be paying 50,000 plus GST if you go for a master course. And if you go with the UpGrad, so you'll be paying somewhere around 2,000 rupees. So the core duration will be same. That will be between like 3 to 4 months of time. So upgrade will also be taking the same period. And if we talk about the money back guarantee, so IIM skill is basically the money back guarantee in case you are not satisfied and in case you are not getting any placement support, or can give you, and in some certain circumstances you can claim for the money back guarantee, but that is not available in the case of upgrade course. For the LMS access, so IIM skills basically provide you with the lifetime access of the LMS, while upgrade offer the LMS access for 3 years from the date of enrollment. Okay. So on the basis of these parameter, IIM skills basically have scored 10 out of 10, while upgrade has scored 7 out of 10. So basis this comparison and based on my personal observation, so I would recommend you to go with IIM skills. So this is just my personal observation based on my understanding. So you can also do your own comparison in case you need any kind of support from my end. So you can put your comments in the comment section. So I'll revert to you as soon as possible. And so this is just my analysis that you go with IIM skills for this particular course. So that will give you more comprehensive learning along with certain benefits. Okay. So I hope you'll find this video helpful, and thanks for watching the video.